Eagle Road. Should go around that side. Road where I got today, guys. Road. Edward Beach Road. Edward Beach Drive. Half Moon Walk. Whew. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Oh, dear, it's cold, man. Let's go down this side, see what is down this side. Out here, cool, you know? You have Starbucks down here, son? Huh. Feet is a little better today. It's a little better today. Guys, look on the car park. This is just one of the car park. Just one. There are several. Almost all the students drive. And if me go last down here, so can I take one different route today? What's that? Ooh, train. I'm gonna reach out there so for the train, you know. Look at the beauty of outside. The beauty of outside. The beauty of outside. Nice. Whew. So I'm almost outside the road. Almost outside the road today. I'm seeing the stoplight. Woo! Car coming. I'm seeing the stoplight, guys. Welcome in, guys. Welcome into my midday meditation, motivational speak and walk. Woo. Or my lunch hour meditation, motivational speak, motivational talk and walk. Midday, lunch hour meditation, motivational talk and walk. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. So, that's the stadium right over there. See it? The stadium. I'm almost at the bus stop out there. But it's not the bus stop, but almost at the stoplight. Almost at the stoplight. What time is it? Yeah, we can go out some more. We can walk some more. We can walk some more. Yeah. I think the gym is down that side. I want to go gym one day. Have my gym clothes and go work out. Have to go get some gym outfit, guys. Life so funny. I had so many gym outfit in Jamaica, and I left everything when I was going to the gym every day in Jamaica, guys. Had a lot of outfits. A lot of outfits. I'll show you the stoplight. So I'm almost there road. See it? I'm almost there road today, guys. Almost, but not. I think there's McDonald's, Dunkin' Donuts, McDonald's, Dunkin' Donuts, and some other lovely food places that side. But I would have to walk all the way down there. I can't manage to walk anymore. Plain field there. Nice plain field. Whew. Nice plain field. Puppy. So I'm puppy there. Whew. Let's go back down. Welcome in, guys. Say hi. Welcome in, like, share, and comment. Say hi. This is lunch hour motivational talk and walk. Lunch hour motivational talk. Yes, I. So what's going on? What's popping? Today is Friday. What's going on? And tomorrow is Saturday. You can sleep in your bed late. Yay! Can sleep. Some of us can sleep in our bed late. Some people may have work on the weekend. Yeah. Out here cold, you know? You know who turn our AC out here, guys? Out here cold and freezing like it's winter. I'm not crossing. Out here coming like it's winter, guys. Freezing. See you on the bus.com. Woo! Woo! See you on the bus.com. See you on the bus.com. Yes, guys, welcome in. Welcome in, guys. Welcome into my lunch hour motivational talk and walk. So, yesterday we spoke about self-care. Yes. Oh, they will drive on the other side, yeah. Some are good. Yesterday we spoke about healthcare, self-care. Yeah. Today we will continue the discussion. Yes, we need to take care of self, take care of our mental space. There are so many mental cases. So guys, you have to be careful. Yes, be careful of your mental health. You must try to reach out to someone who you can trust, who you can confide in. If you're having any issues, any problems, that is not, maybe not what you used to, or your behavioral issues has changed, talk to somebody, see if you can get help. Reach out to somebody who is in the space, they can guide you properly. Not just anybody, but somebody who is in the space can guide you to tell you what to do and get you through the situations. Yeah, because a lot of times we're having problems and we're not saying it to nobody. Yes, but it's important that you try to discuss it. Yes, if you can manage to keep it to yourself, you can do so too if it's not affecting you. Guys, Mother's Day is coming up. Mm, Mother's Day is coming up. Yeah. What are your plans for your mother? What is it you're going to do for her? What's the treatment? You know, I can sit here. Yeah, cause what the seed cool. Yes. Whew. What is it you're going to do for your mom? You have any plans yet? Yeah. Yes, guys. But before we get there, we are still in April and we have like, I think it's Administrative Professional Day is coming up. Yes. When I'm back home. And I'm sure I'm a gift certificate, you know. I don't know what I'm getting this side, but yeah. We get a gift certificate. Sometimes we went for lunch, yeah. Sometimes we go to different speaks, seminars to hear different speakers. Hi. Everywhere you go, you see Amazon. Shoops. Yeah. Different speakers come in and tell us about self-care. They tell us how to dine. They tell us how to dress. They tell us how to take care of our environment. They tell us a lot of stuff, mental issues, everything. We go to different I call it now, sessions to listen to some great speakers. Yeah. So that is coming up. I think it's maybe the last Wednesday of every month. So if you're an admin professional, this is your month. And so far the bus reach way around this. So. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Oh, you can run through there, so I run. Yeah. Yes, guys. So I'm out sitting today. Not raining, but it's cold. Yeah, remember to like, guys. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, very important to give me some thumbs up. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Comment, like. Share. Yeah. These flowers are pretty. You can now see flowers, guys, because the snow has, I believe, ended. We get snow the other day, so I'm not saying that. But majority of the snow part, I think, gone. Yeah. No tailgating in this lot. No tailgating. No tailgating in this lot. Why am I not seeing no comment? What's going on? Where are the comments? Where are the comments? I'm not seeing any comments, guys. Oops. I'm not seeing any comment. Ooh, it's cold. It's cold. It's really cold. I'll show you the stadium again, guys. The stadium there. Student stadium. Yeah. I'm gonna walk again. Look at this beautiful Christmas tree. Look, it can be. I'm sure it's gonna be decorated for the Christmas season. It's so pretty. I can't wait to see this campus on Christmas. It's so pretty. Outside, the trees everywhere. They're just looking pretty. So pretty. Yeah. Let me see if my friends came out today. My friends. Hi, Princess. Yes, it is, Princess. You don't know, say it's me. I can't believe Princess Rose Doll don't know, say it's me. What is it saying different why you didn't know it's me? Hey, Princess? It's me, honey. What's up? What's going on? Oh, yes, one of my friends here. How are you? Are you back home? Are you still in the beautiful Sunshine Island? It's my friend here. And Princess, are you still in the beautiful Sunshine Island? Let me share your life. I'm in Canada. Oh, you're back home. Okay, nice. I see so much people came on and not talked to me. Thank you, Princess. Thank you for striking up a conversation. Thank you. And gone. My little friend. My little friend gone. My little lunch hour friend gone. Thank you, Princess. I think most person don't know it's me for true, cause when I log on to Planka Shop, most person like them don't know so it's me. Mm-hmm. Yep. That's him. He's so happy. He's so happy eating. No cares in the world. Don't care about nobody other than him food. Mm-hmm. Watch him. Ooh. All he cares about is his food. I'm subscribed, but because I saw Aunt's Happy Press stop by and realize it's yeah, it may so much. It's a change. It used to say Ann Booth, yeah, but that's the name of my channel from long time. But when I'm on YouTube, I used to basically sign it as Ann Booth. So I reverse it, and most people don't know it's me. Maybe I've got to change it back. Oh, look at this pretty bird. Woo, I'm gone. I'm fly gone. I'm gone. Nature's out. So are we, human beings. I didn't know that. Whew. Thank you, Princess. Thank you for sharing, liking, and subscribing. Yeah. What is my lunch hour motivational talk and walk? It's like Monday to Friday, if the weather permits, I try to come out and do half an hour walk and just talk with you guys. Because I don't really get down other time to come live. When I'm home, I'm not motivated. But I'm going to get my lunch hour now. Yeah. I just walk and half of it and eat half the time. Hi, Jackie. Happy Friday, honey. Every time I come live, I mean, soon, you know, me know so somebody might have live on, but that's okay. I know you guys will watch the video or see it later on. But the times that I can come on, I have to come. If not, I'm not going to do none live. Those are the times I come on. Yeah, Princess Rose says she never knows it's my life. Yeah, very busy. Yeah. These days I can't hardly watch any live in the day. Busy, 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 busy. Yeah. I realize because sometimes when I don't get any notification from you for some things, you hear me now? Jackie busy man, cause them something and I pass Jackie. So I know you are busy. You're a busy woman. Yeah. Whew. But yeah, it's lunch hour. So I just do half of my lunch hour in the days and just come on my live. Nothing wrong with that. To just walk and talk. You don't have to do anything else. Yeah. Beautiful campus. Let me show you guys. Beautiful campus. Whew. Beautiful, beautiful campus. It's so huge. You can actually do marathon and more in the lunch hour if you can manage. So wait. So I'm gonna do over the other side. I mean my drive run from who? And a car like that. And I miss my car. I miss my car. When you don't have something, you know how important it is when you don't have it. Yeah? When you don't have it, you know how important it is. Lord God, we have to turn back, guys. Time is catching up on me. Soon 1 o'clock. My lunch is 12 to 1. Oh, this is where she came. Woo! May I get lit down, guys? May I get lit down? Hi. May I get lit down? Guys, may I get lit down on campus? Can you imagine? It's not the main road, you know? It's not the main road. Main road is over there. Let me show you guys the main road. The main road there. Main road. Yeah. So, I must walk go another one there and go do some car catching. It's my lunchtime. I can do anything with it. It's my 1 hour lunchtime. I can choose to do anything with it. I can choose not to eat and go on the road. I can choose not to eat and do a good vlog by the river. Cause there's a river down below. I have to do it when the time nice and warm. Today is cold. It's a bit chilly today. Jackie, how is your side? How is your neck of the woods? How is your neck of the woods, Jackie? Oh, she may be busy. But she came on just to say hi. And that's so sweet. That's so nice of her. Oh, your weather is good. The weather is good and it's just a little chilly. A little bit cold. Yeah. I'm actually walking fast because I have like 4 minutes to get in. 3 minutes to get inside. Let's stretch out this leg. Oh, I could have walked this one. Go inside. Let's walk there and go inside. 30 minutes of the video today? Oh wow. That's long. So guys, thank you so much for coming in on board. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, subscribe, and comment on my video. So until next video, when I upload tomorrow or when I go live on Monday, I will see you. Okay, so thank you, take care, bye 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 bye. Thank you. I'm gonna end this live. Bye guys, bye.